welcome back. So today I'm really excited because I finally got my wishlist plant, one of my wishlist plants, and this is from a Facebook seller called Ushus Garden. So I'm going to tell you my entire experience with this seller. This is actually the first time I've bought a plant from Facebook, from someone on Facebook, and I'm nervous about how it's going to be. So this is the box it came in. Don't judge this packaging because this plant has taken a beating in transit, okay? This is not how it looked when she sent it to me. I know that because I had her send me images of the packaging, of how she was packaging the pot, how she was covering the pot, and then the final packaging. So I made her send me images so I knew that the plant was, leaving her in a good condition. So all of this that you're seeing, this damage to this packaging, is the courier company, okay? It was sent via DTDC. Not very happy with them. They have given me trouble since yesterday. This package was supposed to be delivered yesterday. They marked it as delivered, but it only came to me today. All right, so I'm pretty upset about them, and I can go on ranting about this company, but it's not about them. This is about my wishlist plant. So let's stick to it, okay? So she was really sweet because I told her, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and please write down where I need to open it from so I'm not constantly turning the box all around. So she wrote it down right here, open here. So I'm going to start unboxing, and fingers crossed this plant is still alive. I really hope it's still alive. All right, so let's just do this. She is equally as tensed as I am, to be honest, because she messaged me yesterday saying that, oh, did you receive the plant because it's marked as delivered? And I said, no, it's not. And then she was really tensed, constantly messaging me. So I'm sure she'll be happy if this plant has actually reached me in one piece. Okay, I can't get this stick out of the box. Okay, I've got this packaging off. I'm nervous. I need to open this. And I should have got scissors with me. Hold on, I'm just going to get scissors because I'm going to need scissors. Hold on, be right back. Okay, got my scissors. I don't know what I'm going to do if this plant is dead. I know what's in there, but I'm not going to tell you yet. Let me just get it out of the box and I'll let you know what I got. Okay, it looks fine. So this is how she's packaged it. Wait, what's this? Okay, there are two things. Okay, I don't know how to show this to you, but okay, so this is how it is inside. It doesn't look that bad actually. She packaged it pretty well. I see two things in there, so I'm not sure what's what. I ordered for one. Okay, now I'll tell you. I ordered for a silver dragon, an Alocasia silver dragon. It's been on my wish list for a bit, and I never spotted it on any store in India until now. There was a sudden surge of Alocasia silver dragons on Facebook, on Instagram, and I just had to get one immediately. So this is that one. I can't get it out. I'm trying not to damage the plant while I take it out of this box, this plastic thingy. I'm gonna have to cut the box. Scissors come in handy. No, I'm gonna have to cut it a little more. I just don't want to cut the leaves. She's done a good job with the packaging, I'd say. It was in transit for 6 days. So she shipped it out on 8th of Feb, my birthday. So this is actually a birthday gift to myself. And it's reached me today. Today is, I think, the 13th of Feb. Alright, it's out. So this is the plant. I'm going to show you what this plant looked like before it was packaged and shipped to me. So all of this that you're seeing, it's a little thirsty, I think. Few of these baby leaves have turned yellow, but that's just because of the transit. And Alocasias in general do not ship well. There's a little leaf damage here, so I'm just going to take this one off. This one's slightly damaged, so I'm going to take it off. But the rest of them still look good, and I can salvage this plant. But if you're ever ordering for an Alocasia, be aware that they do not ship well. So you won't get it in tip-top condition after the transit and the shock that they go through. It takes them some time to recover. A little bit of water should do the trick. I like how she's packaged the plant. She's put it in a nice plastic pot. There's soil in there, and I think to keep moisture in, she's put some sort of like coir. She's put some of this over the soil and then covered it with tape. I'm going to give this guy a quick drink because I don't want to kill it. I really want it to survive. Please survive. But doesn't it look pretty? Let me look at the leaves. Looks so, so pretty. Can you see now? It's not focusing. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much, Ushus Gardens, for sending me this. You did your best in trying to make sure it doesn't go through a lot, but DTDC, can't do anything about them. Okay, now send me something. What is this? I don't know what is in this. There's another pot here and I don't know what this is. Aww. So I think she sent me a little gift because she knew that this was like for my birthday. So how sweet. How sweet of her to do this. Thank you so much. This is such a sweet tweet. This is such a sweet gesture. I was not expecting this at all. Let me just give it a little push. Okay, I think this is like a cactus or something. I don't know exactly which one. I'm going to have to ask her. I don't know much about cactuses. But this is such a sweet thing. Oops. Oops. Look at it. How cute is this? She sent it to me as a gift. Thank you so much, Ushus Gardens. This is so sweet. Thank you. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to give both of these guys a quick drink of water. And my only advice would be to everybody who's buying plants online, just make sure you choose a good shipping company. I have had great experience with FedEx. Plants that have come to me through FedEx have always come on time. They've been in fantastic condition. As far as I know, I think FedEx has their own protocols for shipping plants. If you check their website, they are a bit on the higher price side, I guess, which is why new sellers might not opt for them. But if you have your own FedEx account, definitely ship through FedEx. Wonderful shipping company that takes care of plants really well. I've had really good experience with them. DTDC, not so much. Wouldn't ever want my plants shipped via DTDC ever again. If you guys want to check Ushus Gardens out, I'm going to leave her Facebook link and Instagram handle down below. So please do check her out. She's wonderful. She really, she does this out of passion more than, out of selling plants. So just definitely check her out and let me know what you buy if you buy from her. I'd really love to know what your experience is like with Ushus Gardens. This is the first plant I've bought from her and I'm very happy. Minus the transit damage that this plant has gotten, I'm extremely happy with her service. Beautiful. I love it. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Bye.